Alright, let's clear up the confusion once and for all. What's the difference between weather and climate? You know how sometimes it's sunny in the morning, but by the afternoon you're stuck in a downpour? That's weather. It's what's happening right now, right where you are, like temperature, rain, wind, or whether you need to grab an umbrella before heading to class. But climate, that's the bigger picture. Think of it as the personality of a place, not its mood swings. Climate is the average of all those daily weather changes over a long time, usually 30 years or more. So, while weather can be wild and unpredictable, climate is all about the long-term trends in your region. Earth's climate system is a team effort. We've got 5 all-stars working together. The atmosphere, that's the air. Hydrosphere, all the water. Cryosphere, ice and snow. Biosphere, living things. And lithosphere, the land. The way these interact gives us our different climates, from sizzling deserts to frozen tundras. To keep things organized, scientists use something called the Köppen-Geiger classification. Imagine dividing the world into 5 big climate zones. First, there's tropical, hot and rainy, perfect for jungles. Next, dry climates, think deserts like the Sahara, where water is rare. Then, temperate zones, where you get 4 distinct seasons: summer, fall, winter, spring. Continental climates have crazy swings, blazing summers and freezing winters. And finally, polar climates, super cold, with ice and snow year-round. Your hometown fits into one of these categories, and that shapes everything: what animals live there, what crops grow, even what people wear and how homes are built. Now let's talk weather. Weather changes when air masses, huge blobs of air with different temps and humidity, bump into each other. That's when you get rain, snow, thunderstorms, or even hurricanes. Meteorologists, those weather experts, use satellites, radar, and computer models to predict what's coming. Forecasting has gotten so good that 5-day predictions are now as accurate as 3-day forecasts were just 20 years ago. Climate varies a ton across Earth. Near the equator you get rainforests, hot and wet all year. Deserts get scorching during the day and chilly at night. Temperate zones have 4 seasons, while polar regions see months of darkness, then endless daylight. Even mountains can have their own unique weather and climate. All these patterns affect our daily lives: what we eat, what animals live nearby, even the kind of houses we build. Here's the big thing. Climate isn't set in stone. It's always changed, naturally, but now it's changing faster than ever. Why? Mostly because of how we use energy and land, burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests. Since the Industrial Revolution, Earth's average temperature has gone up by about 1.1 degrees Celsius. That might not sound like much, but it's enough to make heat waves hotter, storms stronger, and sea levels rise. Learning about climate and weather gives us the power to make smarter choices for our future. Next time you check the forecast or see news about climate change, you'll know exactly what's going on and why it matters. So, weather or climate, now you know the difference, and you're already a step ahead in understanding our amazing, ever-changing planet.